Welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe now to my channel. Want to look 18 years younger? Welcome to the world of homemade skincare, where we unlock the secrets of collagen for youthful and radiant skin. Our surprising star ingredient? Garlic. Its fantastic properties make it a valuable asset in anti-aging care. With our cost-effective natural remedies, there's no need for expensive brand name creams and lotions. We're all about doing it yourself, creating effective skin-loving treatments from the comfort of your own home. Even if you're 70 with this cream, you'll look younger than your age. Collagen! The magic word for youthful skin. But what exactly is collagen, and why is it so vital to our complexion's radiance and elasticity? Let's dive in. Collagen is a protein, in fact, the most abundant protein in our bodies, playing a crucial role in providing structure and elasticity to our skin. Think of collagen as the scaffolding of the skin, holding everything together. It's the substance that keeps our skin looking plump, radiant, and wrinkle-free. As we age, however, our bodies produce less and less collagen, starting as early as our mid-20s. This decline in collagen production is a natural part of aging, and is mainly responsible for the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Environmental factors like sun exposure and lifestyle habits like smoking can also accelerate this process. But here's the good news. While we can't stop time, we can certainly slow it down and even reverse some of its effects. By promoting collagen production, we can improve our skin's elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and achieve a more youthful complexion. So, how do we boost collagen production? There are several ways, but one of the most effective is through topical applications of ingredients known to stimulate collagen synthesis. And that's where our homemade anti-aging cream comes into play. Now that we know what collagen does, let's stimulate its production with our homemade cream. The secret to youthful skin lies in your kitchen. Imagine that the key to unlocking radiant, wrinkle-free skin is tucked away in your pantry, ready to be discovered. Let's unveil the ingredients for our homemade anti-aging cream. First up, we have garlic. Yes, you heard it right, garlic. The humble garlic, which is often relegated to the background in our dishes, is actually a superstar in skincare. It's packed with antioxidants that help to renew the skin cells, making your skin appear younger and fresher. Next, we have honey. Nature's sweet nectar is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a treat for your skin too. Honey is a natural humectant that draws in moisture from the air, keeping your skin hydrated and plump, aiding in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Thirdly, we have olive oil. This golden elixir is known for its anti-aging properties. It's rich in vitamins A and E, which help to stimulate collagen production, giving your skin that youthful elasticity. And finally, we have aloe vera. This green gem is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants that fight skin aging. It also stimulates the production of collagen, helping your skin to retain its firmness and youth. We will also need a dash of vitamin E oil for an added boost of antioxidants and skin protection. With these natural ingredients, we are ready to start making our homemade anti-aging cream. The fountain of youth is just a few steps away. Let's dive right into the creation process of this magical cream. The first step is to gather all the ingredients we unveiled earlier: collagen powder, garlic, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel. Each of these ingredients is a powerhouse on its own, but when combined, they create the ultimate age-defying blend. Step 1. Take a clean, dry bowl and add 2 tablespoons of collagen powder. Collagen is the secret weapon here. It's the protein that gives our skin its strength and elasticity. When applied topically, it can help restore and stimulate collagen in our skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Step 2. Now, let's add the star of our show, garlic. You'll need to crush a single clove and add it into the mix. I know it sounds unusual, but trust me, garlic is a superfood for your skin. It's packed with antioxidants that protect against cell damage, effectively working as your skin's personal bodyguard. Step 3 involves adding in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is a fantastic natural moisturizer that not only hydrates your skin, but also helps to lock in the other ingredients, ensuring they're absorbed properly. The fourth step is to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a soothing ingredient known for its healing properties. It helps to calm any skin irritation and reduces redness, making it a perfect addition to our anti-aging cream. Now that we have all our ingredients in the bowl, it's time for the 5th and final step, mixing. Use a whisk or a fork to combine everything together until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Take your time with this step, making sure the garlic is well integrated and that there are no lumps left. Once you have your cream mixed to a smooth consistency, transfer it to an airtight container. You can use a clean, recycled cream jar or purchase a small glass jar. This cream should be stored in a cool, dry place and can last for up to 2 weeks. Remember, the effectiveness of this cream lies in its regular application. Apply it every night before you go to bed after cleansing your face. Massage it into your skin in circular motions, allowing the skin to absorb all the goodness. And voila! You have your homemade anti-aging cream. With consistent use, you'll start to see a change in your skin's texture and elasticity, bringing you one step closer to achieving that youthful, radiant glow. Now, let's unlock the secret to looking 18 years younger. The true magic of our homemade anti-aging cream lies in its power to stimulate collagen production. Collagen is the vital protein that keeps our skin firm, smooth, and youthful. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down, leading to those fine lines and wrinkles we'd all rather avoid. This DIY cream, enriched with collagen-boosting properties, is designed to help your skin regain its youthful bounce. The best part? It's all natural and cost-effective, making it a far healthier and affordable option than the expensive, chemical-laden creams and lotions that promise similar results. Moreover, the star ingredient of our cream garlic is a powerhouse of antioxidant properties. It not only aids in reducing wrinkles, but also gives your skin a fresh, radiant glow. Think of it as your skin's best friend, fighting off the damaging effects of aging and environmental stressors. Now let's talk about application. For optimal results, apply this cream at night, as your skin undergoes its natural regeneration process while you sleep. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup or dirt. Pat your skin dry, don't rub. Then, using your fingertips, gently apply the cream in upward circular motions, making sure to cover all areas of your face. Don't forget to apply some on your neck as well, as it is often the first area to show signs of aging. Leave the cream on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Consistency is key here. Regular application over time will yield noticeable results, leaving your skin looking tighter, smoother, and more radiant. And there you have it, a simple, effective, and natural way to combat the signs of aging. Remember, youthful skin is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's DIY anti-aging cream tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the secret to youthful skin lies in the consistent use of natural, affordable, and effective products like our homemade collagen-boosting cream. If you've enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more health and beauty tips, tricks, and DIYs, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. Your support means a lot to us, so if you found our content valuable, feel free to share it with your friends and loved ones. Also, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and any ideas for future videos. Remember, a healthy life is a happy life. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and we'll see you soon in our next video.